So this week's portfolio task is output 2, design feature comparison. So in this section, it's spread out over two sheets. What you have to do is take two existing gaming headsets and you have to compare them and compare them in terms of their function and compare them in terms of their features. So if you look on this page, you'll see there's a mix of text, freehand sketching, and it's all based around different keywords that you analyzed last week. So if you can see here, this is all about ergonomics. So he's talking about what makes the gaming headsets comfortable. Sometimes they have cushions, sometimes they have flexible materials, this sort of a stuff. You can see here the connectivity. Does it have memory stick or a USB, sorry, or is it what type of function is it? You can look at the ear cups. And all of this text along the side is supporting your sketching. So this is very much an area for you to get some sketching in there as well. So you can see here, this is just a continuation of it. You've got two different types. So it's a Microsoft LX3000 and a Turtle Beach Stealth 700. Now, one of these gaming headsets has to be the one that you're going to model up on SolidWorks. So if you have one at home, use that one. You can see this is another version of a student's output 2. They've looked at a Turtle Beach one and a Steel Series one. So you can have images in here also. You can have freehand sketching. You can have measurements on the page. This is the second page. He's got some primary research in here. So primary photographs. That's always very good. This is another project that's very sketchy. This kid was quite good at sketching. All right, so you can see his rendering is excellent. It's probably a little short on the analysis. So all of this free space here could be filled up with analysis. And you can see here again some very good sketching, but probably a little bit short on analysis. And this is another example. So this one is laid out a little bit more orderly. It doesn't have to be that way at all, but this is just your own presentation technique. You can see the sketching here. When this is scanned in, it can be hard to see some of the details. So I would recommend going over it with a fine liner pen. And this is the first page. So again, probably a little bit short in the analysis here, but it's laid out very, very well. Okay, any problems, just email me.